This player has about 800,000 CP more than us, but it feels like he's overpowering us by 10 million CP. Our fleet was wiped out in seconds, and we didn't even stand a chance to destroy any of his ships. How is he able to do this with lower level ships and weaker heroes overall? What's his secret recipe? Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. We're thrilled to share his key recipe in this video, the Armor Piercing Warhammer setup. The recipes also included super healer and bait tactics, but in this video, we'll only focus on the key. Please comment on healer and bait if you want to learn more about them. Damage combo. His top 3 damage types are Strategic, Cutthroat, and Drowning. His Sara deals over 13 million damage, the highest among the heroes. But that's not the key part of the recipe. The secret lies in the Warhammer. Let's look at the replay in slow motion. This is our bait ship with 7,900 armor. It receives damage from Kartal and loses about 50% HP. It disappears from the battle soon after that. This is our Stormbringer, and it disappears right after the bait ship. In comparison, our Kartal and Onimusha struck his Stormbringer but failed to kill it. Our Bones struck his Stormbringer and artillery ships but didn't hurt him much. How did he manage to do more damage than us? Let's dive into the ship parts. Ship parts. He equips every ship with the Blade of Freedom set, resulting in high impact and attack. Is impact the secret of this setup? Impact does help in the damage calculation against armor, as mentioned by the official. However, it cannot disclose the exact level of influence and data. Please leave a comment on impact if you want to know more about this topic. We will conduct some tests and create another video covering them if the audience is interested. His Cutthroat ship has nearly 11,000 impacts, which is 3,000 higher than the armor of our bait ship. Our Cutthroat ship also has about 3,000 impacts more than his Stormbringer's armor. However, his Cutthroat ship is significantly better than ours. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Warhammer. The key to the Warhammer's incredible power lies in its ultimate skill, Cost of Strength, which inflicts armor piercing when the ship deals cutthroat damage. This skill is extremely potent, and we have not been fortunate enough to obtain a legendary Warhammer with this skill. In its legendary quality, it will reduce the target's armor by 32 for 5 seconds. But that's not all. It will further reduce the armor by 20 for every 10 impacts. With about 11,000 impacts, this skill will reduce the target's armor by 5,532. Our bait ship has only 8,000 armor. After the deductions, it will be left with 2,500 armor. With 11,000 impacts versus 2,500 armor, it's over 4 times the amount. Our ship's armor is doomed when encountering this skill. This explains why his Cutthroat ship can effortlessly defeat us but is hard for us to overcome. Rage. Rage is the supporting factor to his Warhammer tactic. With a remarkably strong skill in place, we must act as quickly as possible before the opponent can cast a heal or shield. He uses one of the rage tactics we mentioned in this video. First, he equips Cordelia with the Elixir Trinket. When launching a basic attack, the Elixir has a 30% chance to add 60 rages to the high attack ship. Next, he ensures that his Cutthroat ship has the highest attack in his fleet. This allows the Warhammer to receive extra rage, and the heroes on board can cast their skills earlier than others. His Warhammer successfully eliminated our bait ship and Stormbringer before we could cast a shield. We also take advantage of the Elixir, but we prioritize the strategic ship instead. As a result, our Cutthroat ship attacks slower, and unfortunately, he heals and adds a shield to the Stormbringer during our attacks. With a super healer in place, it gained over 7 million heals and avoided being defeated. Armor Piercing Warhammer with a rage boost is an effective way to overpower a stronger opponent. Remember to like and share this video with your friends. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.